see what the problem is. Hey, Luigi, what's going on? We're out of gas, so I'm checking to see if there's any gasoline cans. I got some here. Let me see. Damn it, it's empty. Well, how are we gonna get home? Did any of you brought your phones by any chance? Yeah, let me see. Alright, so there's a gas station nearby. About, 10 meters from here. You guys get to it. Hey, what the hell? Aren't you gonna come with us? Look, someone needs to keep an eye on the car, and it's me, because I'm the one who's driving it. Come on, Red. Alright. Let's see here. If I were to find the gas station, probably be... Oh. Hey, Red, you might want to see this. Oh, great. A building near our way. I wonder if they have gasoline. Oh, great. Excuse me? Do you mind having some gasoline around us? Who said that? Do you ever knock? We just walked in. Yeah, sorry to bother you, but our car broke down, and I was wondering if you have any gasoline. Are you holding a can? Yes. Bring it to me. Alright, here you go. It's empty, alright. I know where the scent comes from. Let me just grab it. Alright. I found it. It smells like gas. Let me see. Yeah, that's gas. Why'd you sniff it? To see if it was true or not. So, why are you here? Didn't we just told you that? I mean, it's a whole blizzard out there. Oh, dear. Is there anyone near the car? Yeah, my brother. Why? You should stay for the night. We don't know what creatures could be out there in the blizzard. How do you know what they look like? I'm blind. There's a saying that some creepy guy, I don't know what they call it, it's called a creep. Apparently he said that he was the master of cloning himself. Sometimes during the blizzards, he would summon his frozen ones would come in and turn people to ice when make contact. So you're saying the guy that we fought, Creepo, cloned himself? You know his name? Yeah. But I'm pretty sure he has the case of the dead after blowing up. Look, I'll let you guys stay for the night. And then we can refill your car. Alright, I'll go get my brother. A few minutes of explaining later. Well, that just sucks. Now we have to stay out the night. And I'm worried about the car. I'll keep an eye on it. They can't mess with me.
I'll show you where the car is. Well, guys, I guess we're gonna have to stay here for the night while Wardo is gonna keep an eye on it.
His name was Wardo?
You guys never told him his name?
Oh yeah, we never told him that. I'm gonna go find where the bedrooms are. Rest well, brother. We had a long day.
More like a long night, eh, Red?
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad for that nice blind monster to let us stay in for a while.
Yeah, I never seen anything like that before. He looked scary at first, but he seemed like a pretty chill guy. I mean, it could have been worse.
Like what?
Like Jason Voorhees?
The guy that drowned in the lake in America?
Yeah. I thought he was just gonna show up and almost try to kill us.
Well, can I at least say how lucky I am to have you?
Yeah, Maggie. Yeah, I do.
Thank you, Red. For make me happy.
You too, Maggie. You too.
The next day.
Alright. While you guys were asleep, I filled your tank up and your car's ready to go.
Were there any creepers out there?
As far as I can tell, no. Guess they don't want to deal with me, I guess. Well, thanks for letting us stay at your place.
Yeah, we appreciate it.
You're welcome to stay if this happens ever again.
Just not wake you up.
Yeah. I usually sleep during the midnight hour and then wake up in the noon. But it's like 8 in the morning. Yeah, I guess I could use some early rising shine.
Yeah, that could work.
Alright. See you guys later.
Bye.
See you around.
Thank you.
Alright, guys, let's get rolling.
Right behind you.
Yep. Same as always.